welcome back to Miss Ocasio Reads. I'm Miss Ocasio, and I am so excited to read with you today. Have you ever felt different? Well, being different is what makes us each so unique and special. Today, notice how Al faces challenges, just like you and I do, but after trying different things, finds something he's really great at, just how you are great at some things too. But first, al dente, the perfect pasta. Al dente, the story of the perfect pasta. Written by Stephanie Baruffi. Illustrated by Michaela Cardelli. On a blustery morning, a baby boy pasta made his debut 6 weeks prematurely. Al dente weighed just 3 grams and was the most beautiful thing his parents and Pop-Pop had ever seen. Dr. Fred Farfalle performed a checkup to make sure Al was okay. The doctor noticed that Al's skin was a little more firm than the other pasta babies he had delivered. Al will be stiff for the rest of his life. He will struggle to be flexible, said the doctor. Mama Mastacholi said to Papa Papardelli, "He is not going to be like the other kids?" Pop-Pop overheard their conversation. Al will find what he was meant to do, just like I did. I was born with great posture because I was stiff too. Al dente was very different from his siblings Zola Ziti and Marco Macaroni. Because he was born prematurely, he didn't have time to cook in his mommy's belly as long as his brother and sister did. They were flexible and could do everyday things, like sit comfortably in a chair and tie their shoes. As Al grew, his rigid body made it hard to keep up with his friends at school. Al's other friend, Tortellina, was a brilliant dancer who enjoyed the jive and the Lindy Hop and was especially gifted at the Tarantella. But when Al tried to twist and turn with her, he stumbled. "Don't be discouraged, Al. You'll find something you're good at," Lena told him. One day, Rocco Ravioli skateboarded by. "That looks like so much fun. Can you teach me how?" Al asked. "Sure," Rocco agreed, but each time Al put his foot on the skateboard, he slipped and fell. "I just want to be like everyone else," cried Al. "You'll find something, buddy, I promise," said Rocco. Al was determined to find out what his talents were. If only he wasn't so stiff. What was he born to do? When he walked home from school each day, he watched other kids at school running free. He would kick at rocks as he thought, "Why can't I do that?" Al ran into Pop-Pop Papardelli, wheeling his piano out to the street. "What are you up to, Pop-Pop?" Pop-Pop said, "This is a gift for you. You and I are a lot alike, you know. We were born with the special gift of amazing posture, which is something all pianists need." A light bulb went off in Al's head. Amazing posture? I've got that. Maybe I should give the piano a try. Each week, Al took lessons from his Pop-Pop, who had been the town's most gifted pianist. He had even won Pianist of the Year for many years, as did his dad and his dad before him. Al practiced every single day, sitting straight and tall. Al grew into a talented musician and an outstanding pianist of his own. At his music shop, he gave lessons to all kinds of gifted students. Al knew that being stiff was his special gift. More than that, he now knew that all the special people who supported and encouraged him were the best gifts of all. Al won Pianist of the Year, just like his Pop-Pop. He set an example for all of his students that we are all born to do something special and can, with dedication, hard work, and the support of very special people. Dear Miss Ocasio and friends, I hope you enjoyed Al dente. Always remember you are perfect just the way you are. Be sure to check out my other books found on Amazon.com. Your friend, Stephanie Baruffi. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's story. I wonder what you're good at. Ask your grown-up for help downloading a fun activity below to go along with this story, or get your own copy to read along with me at home. See you next time. Thanks for joining me today for Miss Ocasio Reads. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your teachers and friends. Subscribe to read more stories with me. And visit Miss Ocasio Meets to get to know your favorite authors. Thanks for watching!